Hi guys, how you doing today? We're back with another video. Tonight we're gonna make pastitsio. And then we're gonna saute the onion and the garlic together. We're gonna put some oil in there, olive oil, a quarter of a cup. And then I have 1 kilo of ground beef. And I'm gonna put it in there. And then we're gonna put tomato paste in there. And now I'm gonna put some spices, okay? I'm gonna count them. I'm gonna put 10 pieces of all spices. I'll count them because I'll take it out after. And then I'm gonna put 6 cloves. And then I'm going to put some salt. 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to do 1 more tomato sauce. Not paste, sauce. Because I need a little bit more red. So we're gonna cover it now, we're gonna leave it for at least half hour, okay? We're gonna put it, the temperature in 4.5 and cover it, okay? Okay, the water is ready, it's boiling. I'm gonna put some salt, it's about 1 tablespoon. And then I'm gonna put the number 2 macaroni, okay, for pastitsio. We're gonna check the sauce how it is. It's boiling good. We mix it sometimes. You see that foam? If you spread a little bit oil in there, it's coming down. Okay, my macaroni is ready. We're gonna drain it now. Check the sauce how it is. Perfect. The sauce is ready. We're going to try to take out all the stuff we put in there. Alright, we're going to put the macaroni in the pot. And then we're going to put the sauce on the top. This part is ready. Everything is done. We're gonna leave it a little bit down, and then we're gonna start the bechamel sauce. We put the pot in there, and we're gonna put half a gallon of milk, and then we're gonna put whole flour, 8 tablespoons, big ones. And we stir all the time because we don't want bubbles in there or crumbles. We're gonna stir till it becomes thick. Okay, we're gonna put some butter in there, 2 tablespoons. If you see it took me about 15 minutes, it's almost ready. I'm gonna put some nutmeg in there. It's ready. Now we're gonna put the eggs in there. So let the cream cool down a little bit because I don't want my eggs to be cooked. Okay, I'm gonna strain some kefalotiri cheese, so I can put it in there. It's about a cup. Bechamel is ready, and then I'm gonna put it on the top of the pastitsio. I preheat my oven to 380 and I'm gonna put it in there for an hour. So it's cooked and then it's finished, okay? Okay. We're back. The pastitsio is ready. We have to take it out from the oven. Turn it off. Look at this. That's a cake. We're not gonna cut it yet. We're gonna leave it 15 minutes at least to cool down a little bit so we can cut it easy. Otherwise it's gonna split. Okay, it's cooled down, so now we can cut it. I'm gonna start with the sides. It's not too much cooled down yet. It looks so good and it smells so good. That was the recipe for today. Join us next time with a new recipe. Thank you very much. Subscribe please. Thank you.